unlocked SIM-free phone. Is that good? I mean, what if I want my phone locked? Locked sounds right, doesn't it? I mean, that sounds good. Let's dive into this video and figure out what unlocked means. So what is an unlocked phone? Simply put, it's a phone that has no ties to carriers. Normally, when your phone is on a contract, the phone will remain locked to that network. But why is that network doing this to your phone? Wireless carriers sell phones at a discount. To recover financial losses from subsidizing, carriers lock customers into a multi-year contract of phone payments while locking the phone to its network. Unlocked means choice. You have freedom from ties and the power of choice, allowing you to pick which carrier is perfect for you. It's so beautiful. So, to sum it up, if a phone is locked, then it can only be used with a single network. If it's unlocked, then it can be used on any network at any time. So I hope that's cleared up some possible confusion about unlocking, and I'll see you on the next one.